I'm showing you the flexible omni-channel. So to come up with automation to meet the needs of customers, consumers that are purchasing now direct to consumer business. People want to buy things and have them delivered to their house. They want to buy things, have them picked up at a store, and they want to buy things still from their store, so they end up through the logistics in the retail space. So I wanted to show you an example of a father buying presents and gifts and things for his birthday party for his son Alex. And as I mentioned, people want to buy individualized custom packages. So it's small batch orders, personalization. And so here you see this father picking some things for his birthday party. They're blue, they're red, they're green, get a white one. And when I say personalized, he puts his son's Alex's name on there. Now this is difficult for traditional warehouse distribution centers to handle. So what we're proposing is an omni-channel fulfillment center that's highly automated with robotics. This is our IRB 390. It's got a 5th axis flip. It also has a heavy payload, like 15 kilogram payload. The 5th axis version has a 10 kilogram payload. Putting this onto a ABB B&R track. This is called the Occupaz track. And you can see that the personalization is there. Next, we're using the IRB 390, which is a new robot for ABB, to do the packaging. So you can see the high Z stroke that it has, and it also has a 10 to 15 kilogram payload. In addition to the Delta style robots, we have lane changing capability to where we're taking, some of this is going to logistics like we talked about, some is going to a retail store, and some is going to a home delivery. And in these types of automated distribution centers, flexibility is what's key. Here you have a collaborative ABB robot on a track that is providing the cases to be loaded onto a truck to be sent out. So from the primary plant all the way through to the delivery, ABB has solutions, including we have palletizing robots, AGVs. ABB even provides the charging stations to charge the vehicles.